Hello, it's Jennifer. Today is Saturday, August 15th, and today I'm going to talk about the Napa Chardonnay tomato. So it's a cherry type tomato. It's yellow, and this is my second attempt at growing this plant, which turned out much better. The first attempt, the plant died within a week of me transplanting it outside, so it just withered, died, and I really don't know what happened. So let me pick a couple of these. So it's been a while since I've done a video, and that's because it's been insanely hot so since July. So we're in the middle of a heat wave now. It's been over 100 degrees every day for the past 3 or 4 days, and it's forecasted to be like this for the next 3 to 4 days. So if the garden survives, it'll be a miracle. So far, things seem to be doing okay, especially the grape. Ooh, another surprise zucchini. Some of the herbs are suffering. So over here you see a suffering basil, but the other basil over there is doing just fine. This basil plant's doing just fine. The squash forest over here is doing just fine. The peppers, fortunately, are under this shade and being shaded currently additionally by the grape. So they're doing just fine. But let me get back to this Napa Chardonnay tomato. So as you can see, this is a good sized tomato for a cherry tomato. Nice snack and salad size. The shoulders here look like they kind of are purple. Same here. I'm not sure why they call it Napa Chardonnay because it doesn't really look like grapes or anything, but let's give this a try. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Lots of seeds. It's very fruity flavored. But it does have that taste of tomato at the end of it. This is very good. This would be excellent on a salad, or if you dried them, these would be excellent dried tomatoes too, but they would taste really fruity and sweet. So I like this tomato a lot. I'm glad I gave it a second chance. I think I would grow this again next year. I'm not sure if I'd grow it where I have it now, but I would grow it again next year. So again, this is the Napa Chardonnay tomato. I don't remember where I bought the seeds from, but just look it up on the internet. You should be able to find it.